If you're a C1 or C2 level learner, advanced proficiency, come and join our Zoom workshops. They're for serious learners but also those who enjoy learning. You can practice speaking. We cover conversational English, including fixed expressions, phrasal verbs, idioms, and collocations. The workshops are rewarding and fun. They take place twice weekly. And the next one is Thursday, the 31st of August at 3:30 p.m. UK time. We have learners from all over the world, really international. So why not come and join us? I can promise you, you'll probably learn more vocabulary and expressions here than you've ever learned before, and you'll have fun. Hope to see you there. Bye for now.